at the end of the day, O-1s are time consuming kind of files. There's a lot of things you have to know and know the file. And that's for me is one of the turnoffs to be efficient. Now I went from a full solo, I'm an associate now. So I'm rearranging how my firm works to have more time rather than doing anything myself. But these are really time consuming things. And I mean, we can't go into costs and stuff like that because it's not supposed to talk about how much you charge people. But one problem with O's becomes the fact that it's a lot of time consuming work, which requires a lot of attorney time as well. And there's ceilings on how much you could charge many times because it's a competitive marketplace. And we have people that are paralegals or these companies that just do O's that are just branded people. They say, oh, we'll do it for you. So it makes it difficult to make the cost structure go with the case.
That's a big statement. And I'm not even quite sure where to begin with it. I think this is something that we all have to always keep our eye on, which is that the competition for immigration services is only going to continue to grow. Meaning what you sort of baked into your statement there is that they're starting to become non-law firms offering services for O's. And the question is, can they provide the service for lower cost? And then if they can, is it enough to get the case approved? And I think this is the magic. If we all knew the answer to this question, we wouldn't worry about how to set our fees. But I think it's kind of a constant thing that we're trying to figure out is what's the right price point. And I think we've sort of taken the approach of trying to use technology, trying to incorporate alternate staffing models. So, like a firm that's all associates you're gonna have a lot more salary cost and overhead that you have to build into your fee compared to a firm that uses a lot of paralegals. Yeah. And then firms that can figure out how to use the contract services, similar to what you mentioned, one of your sponsors, I think it's yeah, like something like that is something that, if nothing else, you need to at least know what they're offering. Mm-hmm. Give it a thought. Is it better? Is it something that could work for you? If so, do you want to use them? Or there's going to be people like what we're doing. We're building our own offshore team. So, but I think if you're going to try to just hire everybody locally, it's going to be too expensive. Honestly, you'll it's not worth it. Frankly, as a lawyer, you're going to be making the same as if I don't want to say anything bad about other jobs, but you're not going to be making a lot of money if all the money is getting eaten up by your salary costs of associates. So you got to figure out where's the balance.
Well, I mean, that's the move right now. It's happening. I mean, even the biggest name firms in our field have back offices in India, and that's just growing and growing. I have a back office team for marketing in the Philippines, which I'm going to grow, probably bring on board other areas of practice as well. Colombia. It has a way to be cost effective. It has, especially with the inflation that's going on right now.